guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki. So for today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I slick my hair with just leave-in conditioner or conditioner. You guys can use a leave-in conditioner or conditioner, whichever one you would like to use. And yes, my hair is type 4. If you guys are wondering what this is, it's just conditioner because I've literally just finished washing my hair. And yeah, so things that you're going to basically need is some stretchy, like really strong hair bands, especially if you've got type 4 hair. Some conditioner, a leave-in conditioner of your choice, whichever one moisturizes your hair the best. Don't know why I'm losing my voice, but yeah, you're also going to need a slick brush and something to brush your hair down as well. And if you are leaving your hair in a bun, like one of these donuts, I think they're called. So I've already washed my hair. My hair is damp at the moment. I don't like to do this on soaking wet hair. I used to do this on soaking wet hair and my hair would break at the front, but now I've got my edges back, so yeah, I don't do it on soaking wet hair anymore. I do it like on damp wet hair, if that makes sense. And I do have a little bit of conditioner in my hair because I didn't want my hair to be fully dry, because my hair was straightened prior. You guys don't care about stuff, but so what I'm going to do is start off by putting conditioner and my hair oil. I forgot this part, this is very important. I'm going to be using my hair oil. I'll leave the link for it in the description box below for like how to make it and stuff. And this is basically how I get my hair super slick. This hair oil, I don't know what it does to my hair, it just makes my hair very silky, like a silky texture, so it helps to comb out my hair. I'm gonna put some leave-in in my hair, and I do use a lot of leave-in conditioner just to get the slickness and that I like, because obviously we're not going to be using gel. The reason why I don't use gel on my hair to slick it down anymore is because I don't know, I just feel like it dries my hair out. But I will use it like if I'm going out to a party or something and I want my hair to be super slick. That's about it. Other than that, I don't really need for my hair to be really slick. So yeah, just applying this on my hair. My hair's already detangled, so if your hair's not detangled, make sure you detangle your hair before you do this, because you're going to be doing a lot of brushing. So I use like that much hair oil and it seals everything in.
Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always have my own bag, never needed no man to.
And I like to twist my hair back up just so it doesn't get tangled again. And I'm just going to repeat that all over my hair.
Tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was.
Okay guys, so I'm back. I've finished putting my leave-in conditioner and my hair oil all over my hair, and my hair is twisted up right now. So what you want to do is grab your rat tail comb and basically part your hair with however you like middle, side, zigzag, whatever. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to part my hair in the middle. So I'm going to take out the 4 pieces at the top. So I've basically parted my hair down the middle. That's the best I could do at the moment. And I'm just going to start by taking all the twists down.
Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for.
So this is the part where you'll start putting like your side pieces out and stuff like that. I don't always do it, but if you want to do it, then you know, do it. My days I haven't seen my hair like this in quite some time. Okay. So What I like to start doing is to start brushing my hair downwards. And I will say this, I have trained my hair to be able to slick down this way, so I've been doing it since I could put my hair in a bun, because my hair is so thick. So now my hair just like naturally just slicks down like this. So if you just continue to do it, it will eventually just slick down. And find the products that you need. I'm not brushing my hair all the way down, I'm just brushing the top part. So I'm just brushing it down, and then I start holding my hair. I think I want like this piece to stay down. So then I'm literally just pulling my hair, not too tight because obviously we want to keep our hairlines, but I'm just pulling it back like that. Might leave like another piece down like that. Yeah. I'm gonna hold my hair and I'm going to keep slicking it the way I want. So I normally like my hair to go a bit forward. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty slick down. Obviously I'll fix these bits after. Yeah, this is my hair.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye, hopping out my feelings.
Obviously, like, if you're into like the baby hair look, because I like to use baby hairs because my forehead's quite large, you can use like gel like on these areas if they do annoy you that much, but if you're not going anywhere, there's literally no point. So I just like to leave it like this. My hair is super duper shiny. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, my hair's super duper shiny, and I always like to add like extra oil at the top, just so it's nice and shiny, gives it that nice shiny look. And then I get my and then I get my donut. I like to use this because I can't actually put my hair in a bun. Not because my hair's not long enough, but I don't like the way it looks. It doesn't look as neat when I put this on. You can get this from literally anywhere. And then, ooh, my curls. I might want to leave it like this. I used to wear my hair like this a lot. But yeah, that's not for today. Literally pull the hair through. So now my hair is through the donut, and I'll separate my hair like this.
Cause I got it like that, always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on, I was alright on my.
And I grabbed the smaller version.
And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was finally.
And to make sure my hair doesn't knot at the ends, I just like to grab pieces and just start to twist and stretch as I go along.
I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to.
Then I grab my soft brush. I just start slicking my hair down.
Before I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better.
So you see how slick I got my hair, and I didn't even need any gel. Like, gel's really not necessary, to be honest.
Yeah.
Final step is just to use your do-rag. I do recommend to use a do-rag because I feel like it just lays a lot better, and you get like waves after. So I'll be back once my hair has set. Normally I wouldn't wait so long, I would just go out, like, you know, but yeah, I'll come back once my hair's set and looks all nice. Okay guys, so my hair is set. I only set it for like 2 minutes, not gonna lie, but can you see that? No gel, it's slick as fuck. Like, literally, if you think you got type 4 hair, you think you can't do this, girl, you can do it. It just takes some time and patience. Literally, you probably won't get it the first time, but if you just keep, you know, pulling, brushing, you'll get it. But yeah, that's how my hair looks. It's silky, it's sleek, it's nice, shiny. I'll leave everything in the description box. It'll be in my Amazon store, so just click on my Amazon store, it'll be there. So whatever I used today, it'll be there, and the tutorial for the hair growth oil will be down below as well. So my hair looks like. This part of my hair is not dry, but as the days go by, it'll get dry. If you guys want to see how I take care of my hair with this bun, I'll leave the link down below for a week in my hair video. I did that. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn around for you guys so you guys can see the whole thing. So this is the back, that's how it looks. Probably still wet, probably got conditioner in it. This is my side. This is my better side. Yeah, that's how my hair looks. So I hope I helped somebody out there who doesn't want to be using gel in their hair anymore. You know, you get an alternative. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose